Hi guys, thanks for coming back. This week we're covering the delightful movie Galaxy Quest, the loving satire of Star Trek. It has also incidentally captured the spirit of Star Trek better than any other official Star Trek movie. For those who haven't seen it, stop. Stop watching this video right now and go watch Galaxy Quest. Now. It's on Amazon Prime streaming. No excuses. But let's quick recap for lazy people or for those who don't have enough money for Amazon Prime. Tim Allen, Sigourney Weaver, Alan Rickman, Tony Shalhoub, and Daryl Mitchell were stars of a Star Trek-like show called Galaxy Quest and now spend all of their time doing fan conventions because they can't get any other acting gigs. However, an alien species called the Thermians intercepted Earth's TV broadcast signals and thought the show was historical record. When under attack by the evil Saros, they shanghaied actors off to space to lead them in the fight against Saros. Shenanigans quickly ensue. So, to understand how the science behind the Galaxy Quest movie works, let's take a quick look at the real-life version of the Galaxy Quest show, Star Trek. So Star Trek was broadcast on NBC from 1966 to 1969. NBC broadcast all content at that time through radio waves, at a different frequency than what radios receive. Each broadcast had two signals, one for video and one for audio. So, at that time, the main way for television stations to deliver the signals to our homes was via an antenna. Those of us born before 1995 should remember what an antenna is. If you don't, here's a quick picture. The alternative to this setup was to have one large antenna for a given area, with each home individually wired into it via a cable. This, however, was extremely unreliable as the signal would degrade along the length of the cable, leading to really crappy images on the TV. However, those issues slowly went away with technological improvements, and thus cable TV was born. Now, TV stations no longer transmit information via analog signal or antennas. We are now on digital signals and mostly connect via cable or satellites. To learn more about different applications of analog and digital signals, see our Pacific Rim video. Now for the really important question. Could the Thermians, the alien species in the movie, have actually received the broadcast of the Galaxy Quest shows from Earth? And not just the show either. They got even more shows like Gilligan's Island. So now yes, hypothetically, these signals do go out in all directions, including up, so they do potentially go into space. However, these signals can be blocked or delayed by physical objects, like buildings or other large things, so we have enough issues transmitting signals around our planet, let alone off our planet. So any signals coming from the Earth would be similarly obstructed by planets, moons, asteroids, and other space debris. So not only is the signal being blocked by these obstacles, it is also expanding as it gets farther away from the Earth. Picture dropping a stone in the water and watching the ripples get larger and larger as they get further away from the origin point. This makes it harder to capture the entire signal. So, in theory, if the Thermians were close enough that the signal hadn't been blocked, and they made a giant receiver in order to capture the expanded signal, they could have potentially received the complete Galaxy Quest TV show, along with a lot of other stuff from Earth. So yes, not only is this movie hilarious, insightful, sentimental, and loving towards passionate fandoms, but it's also scientifically accurate on the major plot point. So yes, let us celebrate the genius of Dean Parisot, David Howard, and Robert Gordon, and join us next time for the Giant Disaster Film 2012.